Recycling is an important way to minimize our impacts. Here are some do's and don'ts to make it easier. Do rinse your recyclables. All it takes is one dirty item to contaminate an entire bin. And if paper or cardboard come into contact with food or liquid, they can no longer be recycled. Avoid contamination by cleaning out any residue before recycling. Don't crush your cans. Single-stream recycling, or recycling that all goes in the same bin, needs to be sorted once it's picked up. Crushed cans can accidentally be sorted as paper due to their shape, contaminating those paper recyclables. Aluminum cans are endlessly recyclable, so leave those cans as is to ensure their use is continued. Do check your local community program. A lot of the details of recycling depend on your community's specific program. Take a few minutes to read up on the specifics of your area to be sure your items get recycled. Don't include items you aren't sure about. When in doubt, throw it out. Many of the items we use every day that seem recyclable aren't. Tossing non-recyclable items in the mix can cause contamination and may result in all the other items being thrown out. Don't bag it. One of those non-recyclable items are plastic bags. They get caught in the sorting machinery, damaging equipment and causing delays. Try placing your recycling directly into the container. Do refuse, reduce, reuse, and then recycle. Recycling is important, but it should be our last step. Refuse single-use items to reduce the amount of waste you create, and then reuse items as much as possible before recycling or throwing them away. The things we do at home directly affect the outdoors. Learning how to recycle can help us to #don't feed the landfills.